How to create job requisitions on the TFY platform. To initiate the creation of a job requisition, access the menu on the left-hand side and select Job Requisition. This section will display both open and closed job requisitions. To proceed with creating a new job requisition, click the Create New Requisition button. Please enter a requisition ID for future reference. Provide the department associated with the acquisition. Indicate the number of roles involved. For this example, we will specify one role. Please specify the position title, the start date for the role, and the reason for the requisition. Indicate whether it is a new position, a result of termination, a transfer, retirement, promotion, unpaid leave, or maternity leave. For now, we will mention it as a new role. Please ensure all details are accurate and complete to facilitate seamless approval. Additionally, specify the hiring region for this role. Include the required skills, the currency, and any additional notes, such as this being necessary for Project Moon. This information will facilitate the approval process. Next, establish the approval hierarchy. The system accommodates any number of approvers, but for demonstration purposes, we will designate a single approver for the budget, and I will assume this role. You may also request individuals to justify business needs or designate a recruiter. Subsequently, we will select the hiring team, choosing a few key individuals. As previously mentioned, external recruiters and agency clients can be onboarded onto this platform, allowing them to contribute to your recruitment process or gain insight into your recruitment funnel. Please save the changes and proceed to the application form template. You have the option to either utilize one of your previous job templates or proceed with the default one. For demonstration purposes, we will continue with the default template without making any modifications. During the evaluation phase, you may choose to add evaluators, include a scorecard for assessment, or simply proceed with a straightforward evaluation. After selecting Save Changes, the requisition is now submitted. It is forwarded to the designated approver, which in this instance is myself. I now have the option to either approve or reject the requisition. Upon opening it, we are presented with a well-organized job requisition. It indicates that this is a new role, outlines the budget, specifies the job location, and describes the role's responsibilities. Once this requisition is approved, it will progress to the next level in the workflow. I will demonstrate the subsequent steps. By clicking on this requisition, the newly created job flow will open immediately. Leveraging the AI copywriter and additional features, you can efficiently create and post a job. This will be published across over 100 plus job boards with a single click. I hope you found this information helpful. Thank you.